All right, hello, welcome to the weekend. I got this car, the silver car, in May. I pulled the engine out because it had a bad exhaust valve and started rebuilding it. You can see the engine here. It's pretty much ready to go. I spent the other day getting the turbo back on and the up pipe and exhaust manifold and everything, and you can see it has all new crush washers in here. So it's good to go. I've been debating, do I put it into this car, which, if you're not familiar, has some damage on it. It's got some body damage here. If I back up a little bit, you can see that's the worst of it there. Here's the white car, and put the motor in this instead. And that's just because this car is much cleaner. I think I'm going to pull the exhaust off this car. It's got an SPT exhaust on it. It looks pretty nice. So I'm going to pull that off today, and I'm going to put the old steering rack back in it so I can move it around. The silver car, I'm thinking to just kind of park it for a while and pull parts off it till the white car is done. You know, if I need axles. This car does have the BC coilovers on it. I'm not sure if I'll put those on the white car or not. Right now I have the teen. It's got lowering springs on it. So my goals today are to get this old rack back in, just so I can steer the car around, and to pull the exhaust off. Then this car is going out and the white car is coming in. Not sure what I'm gonna do with the silver car yet. If I'm gonna just part it out or just sell the whole thing. Let's get a quick vid. All right, so this one's out. That one's going in. Yeah, this will be good too because so people can see it. Okay, the white car is in, and the other car, silver car, is parked. So this one's up on jack stands. One of my goals was to get the new steering rack in. You can kind of see it down there. I'm piecing it together here right now. You can see the old one came out. I've never done a steering rack before. This one was in bad shape, leaking pretty bad. Steering rack job is not easy. I've had to kind of like drop the front subframe. You can see it's down here in order to fit the steering rack in up there. So that's coming along. Once that's totally in, then I'll be putting the engine in. Also need to check the up pipe. I have a 2004 STI up pipe. I want to see, this might be one on here already. That's the section from here to here. So I need to check that. Mainly I'm filming right now because we just have all this smoke. The Cameron Peak fire on Wednesday became the biggest wildfire in Colorado history. It's at 150,000 acres now, something like that. Probably more now, and it's Friday today, so 2 days later, and I guess we have a ton of smoke. Well, we have a ton of smoke, but I'm guessing it's from the Cameron Peak fire. But you can just see the sun's about to set over the mountain there, and the smoke is just, it's just so bad. Well, I haven't filmed in some time, but I'm about to put the engine back in the WRX here. I spent quite a bit of time getting the steering rack in. It's a totally new, well, remanufactured steering rack. Kind of see it down there. And putting new tie rods on. I also paused to work on another couple projects. There's a lot of little things back here that needed connecting. And so I think I have everything hooked up now. Turbo's all on and everything. Didn't want to rush into getting this in the car because last time I did, I found some things that I forgot to hook up, and it was way harder to do once it was in the car. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Just giving this thing a final look and about to put it on the engine hoist. The flywheel is on. There's the fork here. There's the throwout bearing on there. Pressure plate side, I just got the clutch on.